I have the M30T here. I'm just going to open it, give you a quick glance at it. It's the new M30 and it's sealed and ready for rocking. We had a few orders for these. I'm going to have to take it out this way. There's additional stock in here as well. I'm going to pull that out just for the sake of it and throw the box down. Oh, I love this case. It's cool. Look at that. It's the M30 series. See that? Now that's the battery station. That's obviously part of it as well. So, look at that. Look at that. Anyways, super cool. We lift her out. Jeez. Big dog. Big dog. So what's the big thing about this? Look at the biggest thing about this is that it's waterproof. That is the biggest thing that is going to sell these. So it's IP65, is it? It's IP anyways, it's waterproof. This is the flipping remote. Jesus Mary Joseph, it's fucking Star Wars. Well, like, this is crazy stuff. Lovely feel to it. It's big, but it's nice. HDMI, USB-C, USB-A, micro SD. Got them out. Lovely control sticks. There's a lot of different areas on this. That'll be a WE37, I'm presuming. So this is the standard. This isn't thermal now. Camera. It's fixed. You can't swap out the payload on these, so that's like there's sort of a baby version of the M300 where you can swap the payloads on them. Inside here, what else have we? There's more down here now if I can pull it out. More props. Yeah, the props are slim, about 8 inch. I'd say they're about 8 inch. They're nice. And a few extras there. I'm just pulling stuff here now as I go. I haven't a clue what's in it. I haven't a clue. Cables. I want to get to the charger as well. Just go through it. I'm not going to spin. So I thought they were nappies for a minute. So that's the book on it. And actually there's an SD card inside. And the adapter. Nice case. I love the case. Bring it on holidays. You could take it out and bring your gear on holidays. Take the whole thing out and put all your clothes into it for holidays. Really, we'll put that down for a minute now. And we have the battery station. We pull it out. Haven't a clue. You'd be saying, this fella should have checked up on all of this before he did this. I learn as I go, that's the way it is. I don't start researching stuff and reading up on stuff before it comes out because it'd do my head. I just learn as I go. I'll pick it up and I'll start investigating it and what can it do and what can it not do. But now I mightn't be taken off, but I'll investigate it that way. I was never one of those lads to read the instructions or spend weeks in researching it before I buy it. Look at this. Look at this baby. So it's another another mini version of the M300 charger. Now I have a battery for this. It doesn't come with it, but I have a battery and I get it. So the battery for this, they don't come with it. They're separate. The TB30 intelligent flight battery. Is it 46 minutes? They claim you won't get that. You'll be getting 38, or it depends on condition, 38, 39 minutes. I'll just show you the battery, give you an idea what they're about. They're heavy, they're fairly heavy, fairly big dog. And they go in here. Did that after popping on now when I did that? No, couldn't.
Did you?
So, well, the battery did, but that's your plug-in. Very straightforward. I love charging cases. See all the data and all the information inside here, and that closes off. like that. And I'm wondering how it works here. Does it fit in like this? It's all about convenience with these drones. You don't want to be dragging something around the place and not being comfortable with it. Does it fit like that? It sort of does, doesn't it? Yeah. That's cool. You could nearly bring it down like that and have the two of them there. Anyways, that'll be me, the way I'll be thinking. How do I move it around quickly? That's your charging hub, charging station, battery, drone features. You have RTK adapters here on top as well for skirts to fit stuff. You have your obstacle avoidance. You have back, front, top, bottom. You have a lot of stuff going on this dog. Yeah, look, that's a very, very, very quick overlap. There'll be guys doing a lot more sophisticated, providing you with a lot more sophisticated information. But that's giving you an idea. Let's compare it again. Let's compare it again to a Mavic 2. We all know about a Mavic 2. Like, you can see what's going on here. Oh, I love this light. Look. That's a Mavic 2. Or even an Autel. Look. You know, they're cool. Oh, look at everybody will know the Phantom. Everybody will know what a Phantom, this is an advanced, Phantom 3 advanced. If you're into, look at the size. This is where, look at what's happened here. This is 7 years ago. This is 2022. Well, it's enterprise and consumer. But, you know, this is well, we had the Phantom 2 first. Phantom 2. And now we have the M30. But as I said, you'll see a lot of guys going for these that want the waterproof and quality images and strength in the air, battery life, 46 minutes, 38, 39 minutes. And they're going to compete with the Mavic 3E, Mavic 3 thermal as well. So appreciate following us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, we're on it big time, and YouTube, and I'll chat to you later. Thank you.